Separation anxiety is a really difficult situation for both dogs and their caregivers. Separation anxiety often leaves people feeling isolated and alone. Separation anxiety is a panic disorder. So it's not the dog being insolent or vengeful or angry or bored, but the dog is actually truly, for lack of a technical term, freaked out at being left home alone or not having access to a person or people. So separation anxiety is really difficult, not only from the point of view that we're watching the dog just really suffer with the behaviors that they end up displaying as a result of separation anxiety, but having the people feeling so disconnected with struggling with this issue with their dog. So they feel, as I said, isolated. Oftentimes they feel like they can't leave the house for fear of what will happen. They feel like maybe nobody quite understands, because frequently there's a lot of anecdotal information, which is in an attempt to be helpful, but frequently isn't something that's going to help them to arrive at resolution. So separation anxiety is a really difficult behavior to work with. It is when a dog feels stressed, anxious, and fearful about being left home alone and or being left without access to a person or people. True separation anxiety is actually more rare, which is a good thing. Oftentimes what it is that we're really talking about is isolation distress. And so under the big umbrella term of separation anxiety, isolation distress is when a dog feels comfortable as long as there's a human body present. With separation anxiety, we're talking about a situation where a dog is only comfortable if there's one specific person present.